working with Canvas in Camtasia Studio. After completing this tutorial, you will learn complete details about Canvas in Camtasia Studio. This is Canvas, is also called preview window. Means whatever you place in the timeline, you will see in the preview window. This is the final output you are going to publish after sharing. If you click on timeline, see these are the different elements present on the Canvas window. The different tools related to Canvas are present at the top of the and above the Canvas preview window. If you want to move this, you can do that in the Canvas. Even you can select like this, you can place them. When you are moving, see you are actually getting the indication lines for alignment, bottom aligned, top aligned, even middle aligned. See, something like this. When you right click, you will get different options related to Canvas. If you see here, see this is the detached canvas, means actually that is detached. This is the maximize button for full screen of the canvas, and you can reattach the canvas and you can make it 100% like this. Click here and you click here. This is the canvas, 50% fit. By default it fits, and when you click here project settings, it shows color of the canvas. For example, if you change this to red color, see it is changing, yellow color, orange color, yellow color. Click apply, it gets applied. We'll go back to black color, click apply, and you can see the canvas size. This is the actual project settings. Project size means 1080p, or see when you are clicking, it is actually indicating different sizes. Even you can custom size, you can create the custom size and you can modify these numbers and click apply and they'll get changed. In these tools, by default you are in the edit mode. This is pan, means you can move the canvas into any place on the screen, and you can crop. This is crop mode. You can simply crop this, and you can, as I already know, you can move the media, you can scale it, you can position different places. That is all about Canvas in Camtasia Studio. It is very simple, but you can use it very efficiently.